most of the trading strategy works only trading market, but this strategy is different because it also works perfectly on ranging market. So let's see how you can make profit using this trading strategy on any market condition. Now I have to select my asset as a TRX USDT. So why TRX USDT? TRX USDT is my favorite crypto coin because it's not like others. Others coin chart is not well structured. So that my favorite trading asset TRX USDT. So I simply write here on TradingView asset library TRX USDT. You can see my asset and you can see it's well structured. And the time frame I will use for this structure with combination of two time frame. So our primary time frame will be 4 hours and then I will get some confirmation and we will trade on 15-minute time frame. I will explain you everything more detail after a few moments. So now I have to add today's indicator. So now I will use two indicator. One indicator I will use for trade on ranging market and another one I will use for trading market. And also for you I will provide all the indicator name and setting on my video description below. So for ranging market I use Bollinger Band. The short form is BB. So on side right here BB you can see Bollinger Band indicator. So I simply click to add on my chart and now I have to add another indicator for trade on trading market and the indicator name is RMI Trend Sniper. So on side right here RMI Trend Sniper, you can see one indicator by TJAX. So I simply click to add on my chart and you can see our indicator is ready. So now I have to change some setting for Bollinger Band indicators. So I simply go the setting and from here I no need the basic line. So I simply uncheck the basic line and change the upper band color to yellow and for lower band color to white for understand more clearly. So you can use your own custom color. Now let's see how you can generate buy and sell signal on trading market and ranging market. So right now let's see how you can trade on trading market. So now I no need the Bollinger Band, so I simply unvisible the indicator and now let's see how you can trade on trading market using RMI Trend Sniper. So right now our time frame is 4 hour and you can see the RMI Trend Sniper is very easy to read. So when the green up arrow appear, that means the market is bullish, and when the red arrow appear, that means the market is bearish, means downtrend. You can see right now we are 4 hour time frame. So first you have to understand the right now trend. So you can see the right now trend is uptrend. So in this time you should not take any sell position from lower time frame. So I simply select the area as a uptrend area and this is downtrend area. So let's see, this one is also uptrend area and this one is downtrend area. So for downtrend area I simply change the color to red for understand better way. Okay, so we are successfully marked our trending area. So now what you have to do, you have to change the time frame to 15 minutes. Okay, so I simply change the time frame to 15 minutes. So you can see this area is 4 hour time frame and it was uptrend market and it was on trending market 4 hour downtrend market and it was uptrend market on 4 hour time frame. So let's see how you can generate buy and sell signal using this one indicator on trading market. So it's very simple. First, from 4 hour time frame you have to mark the area it's uptrend or downtrend. For example, you can see this area is uptrend. So in 15 minutes time frame In this area we just take long position, not short position. That means in this area we just take buy order, not sell order. And let's see how you can generate buy sell signal using this strategy. For buy position, if you see the 4-hour time frame is uptrend, after then from 15 minutes time frame, if you see a green arrow signal from RMI trend sniper, that means the market is provide you a buy signal. So suddenly you have to take position here, and your stop loss will be recent below swing low, and the first profit target will be 1 times from the stop loss, and the second profit target will be 2 times from the stop loss, and the third profit target will be 3 times from the stop loss. As you can see, the price is successfully hitting our all the profit target, even more. So if you have a better risk management knowledge, you can increase your profit target as well. And also you can see another buy signal, and also it's valid. This one is also valid, and this one is also valid. This indicator provide us very good high accuracy signal. So now let's see how you can generate sell signal on downtrend market. Sometimes ago we are marked this area as a downtrend market. You can see from 4-hour time frame it was downtrend market. So in downtrend market, if you see the red arrow appear from trend sniper indicator, that means it's a opportunity to take sell position. So you can take your sell order here, and your stop loss will be above recent swing high, and first profit target will be 1 times from the stop loss, and second profit target will be 2 times from the stop loss, and the third profit target will be 3 times from the stop loss. As you can see in this chart, the price is successfully hitting the all profit target. And remember, all the time the price is hitting profit target 1, profit target 2, profit target 3. It's not guaranteed. Sometime hitting 1, 2, even 3, even hitting the stop loss. But you have to remember the hitting the stop loss ratio is very few. So don't afraid about that. So now let's see how you can generate buy and sell signal on ranging market. So sometimes ago we are unvisible the Bollinger Band indicator, so I simply visible this one and unvisible RMI trend sniper. So that from TRX USDT it's very difficult to find the ranging market because this coin is almost stay trending. So let's see, maybe we can find. So you can see this is a ranging market. So what is a ranging market? When the price is stop making higher high and higher low and lower and lower high, and the price grow through a horizontal line, that's called ranging or sideways market. In this market condition, trader stay confused to take buy or sell decision. So let's see how you can generate buy and sell signal without any hesitation. When you see the prices go through a horizontal line and the price is trying to go up, but the price bounce back from Bollinger upper band, in this time you have to take sell position here after reaching the lower band, and the lower band will be your profit target. And when the price is bounce back from the lower band, in this place you have to take buy order. When the price again go up and trying to bounce back from the upper band, in this place your trade will be exit, and it will be another chance for sell order. Then when the price trying to bounce back from the lower band, the trade will be exit, then another chance for buy order. And after then, when again the price trying to bounce back from the upper band, then it will be the trade exit, and you have to find another opportunity for sell order. So hope you guys understand how you can trade confidently any market condition using today's secret trading strategy. So if you have any question, you can comment below, and if you want to get more useful trading strategy and tutorial, you can subscribe to the channel. So as always, thanks for watching. See you with you next video.